Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. This is the Leatherman Surge, and when you purchase the Surge from Leatherman, it comes with a couple of interchangeable tools. You get a saw blade and also a file that fit into this device right here. The way you open this thing up to remove this blade and put in the file or some other implement is by going to this tab right here and pushing out on it like this, and then you can pull the rest of this open like so, and then your saw blade comes right out of there. This saw blade that comes from Leatherman, as you can see, is pretty good. It's very handy for outdoor wilderness survival and so on. You can buy other blades that'll fit in there. This kit is from Bosch, and it's the model number T500, and it's an assortment of 5 different jigsaw blades. It's got 2 metal cutting blades and 3 different blades for cutting wood. The blade right here, where it's on this package where it says 10 right here, that means that it's 10 teeth per inch. 10 teeth per inch. This is going to be a little bigger bite, I would say, than the blade that you get from Leatherman. The other blade, the next one, is even looks even bigger in the size of the actual teeth. And according to the package, this one has 5 to 6 teeth per inch. And look at that mama. That thing right there looks like it could really get a good bite. Just pop it right into the carrier there. Lined up good. There. This is an example of the different saw blades that you can use on the Leatherman Surge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.